For this tutorial, we're going to show you how to solve the problem of water pooling on the greens after 5 minutes on the front nine. And we still want to run the front and the back for 20 minutes, but when you run it on the front, it seems to pool after 5 minutes. So let's go through this. First, we'll go here to station data to make sure that it's running for 20 minutes. So we're good here. We got 20 minutes, so we'll go back and we'll create the program. So we'll start here. We'll go front greens, start time 10 p.m. Click front, all the greens. Okay, let's make sure it's still in here for 20 minutes. We're good there. Go back here, and then we'll go 25% here. So this means it's going to run for 5 minutes here. Enter. Now we need to get it up to 20 minutes a night, so we'll create another one here. So we'll start this one at 12 a.m. This one here at 1 a.m. and at 2 a.m. So what this is saying, it's going to run for 5 minutes at 10 p.m., another 5 at 12 a.m., another 5 at 1 a.m., and another 5 minutes at 2 a.m. And that should solve your problem of water pooling after 5 minutes. It'll let it soak in before it runs. And the back nine will still run at 100%, and we'll see if that's 20 minutes as well. And we got 20 there. So that should solve your problem.